Let's take an equation x plus y equal to k. Let us replace k with fate, x with world, y with hereafter. In this equation, x and y are inversely related. If we increase x, then y must decrease in such a way so that k remains constant and vice versa. Therefore, x and y are inversely related. Constant is equal to world plus hereafter. If we increase worldly component, then hereafter must decrease in such a way so that the summation of the two remains constant. What is the inference? That world is inversely related to hereafter. God says in his holy book, in his scripture, that if you wish all your portion in this world, you who have no share in the hereafter, please find it in the holy book of Lord, or ask your scholars if you are not able to find it. That's why Prophet Muhammad also, he gave alms as much as he could, as possible. He decreased world wealth to increase hereafter wealth. We should also give handsome loan to God, as he tells in his holy book, so that he bestows us manifold in the hereafter, as is evident from the equation. Fate is constant because God commanded the pen at the time of creation of this universe to write down the fate of this universe, of people, of everything. God knows it beforehand because he has absolute knowledge. God also says that the likeness of those who span in the way of God, is as the likeness of a seed which was sown into the soil. When it comes out, when it sprouts in the form of a plant, on that plant so many branches, on each branch there are so many seeds. Such is the magnitude, such is the manifold reward given by Lord towards the people who spend their wealth in the way of Lord. What is the inference? Here we have two contrasting things, poor man and rich man. Now I am going to prove how this poor man will become rich man in the hereafter, in the paradise. Let's take on the left side. If a man is poor in this world, he has decreased world component in the equation by logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning. His hereafter must increase, so that man must have increased hereafter. So he must become rich after death, provided he has realized a real creator. But these seeds must be viable. It is a point to understand for you. Now, this poor man must become rich in the hereafter. Prophet also said that poor people, they will enter with me in the paradise in first preference, not the rich of the world. So it's just the explanation of some verses of the Holy Quran, and I have proved it logically, mathematically, how this poor man will become rich in the hereafter. And here is a lesson for the wisdom people, for the wise people, to spend some portion of wealth in the way of Lord, so that he gives you manifold. And what else? I have proved that this world is inversely related to the hereafter. It's also a Quranic verse. Okay, thank you.